What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars. Hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world, and thanks for tuning in and giving the channel a chance. Do check out my other videos. We're a car discussion channel and reaction channel, guys. On today's episode, we got a lot to cover, a few big things going on. Elliot Alves, we will be covering DD, CNC Motors and a few others as well. Before we jump into it, guys, please do consider smashing the like button because it helps the all YouTube algorithm so other people can see the video. And even better, if you smash the subscribe button, help us get to 2,000 subs. Thanks to everybody subscribed so far. You've been absolute fucking legends. And all to my regular commenters, guys, please, thank you, and keep going, do what you're doing. It really means a lot to me. Right, where we're going to kick it off, we're going to have to start off with Elliot Alves, guys. So Elliot, if you haven't seen his channel, it's a very well done, fun channel. He hasn't posted in around 4 days. He was in a serious accident, basically in his Z4. Somebody looks like broke a red light and smashed into his Z4. He has walked away unscathed, thank God, with a bit of a sore neck. I did message him on Instagram to make sure he was okay. He said he's just a bit sore. Main thing is he is safe and sound. That's all that matters. Look, guys, as we all know, cars are fucking replaceable, people aren't. So I'm glad he's safe and sound. It's a scary thing when car YouTubers get into car crashes, guys, because, you know, there's been one or two in the last few years we know that have been pretty nasty, alright, and you know, it wasn't even Elliot's fault, it was the other driver's fault. So I think the Z4 is pretty much written off. I don't think even Tavarish should be saving this one, but I really like the Z4. Elliot's channel is a lot of fun. I'm just glad he's okay. Yeah, he posted it up on Instagram, guys, if you're wondering. And if you're wondering who it was, that's who it was. So main thing is he's okay, guys. Hopefully he'll be releasing a video soon. And yeah, I can't wait to see him back on YouTube, back posting videos, and to get an update about what his future plans are as well. Next up is going to be CNC Motors, or a person has made another video, Big A's Gone Camping. Now this person isn't even into you know, the car scene or anything. He basically just made a quick 2-minute video basically explaining the same thing has happened to him. He commented on one of my CNC videos. I had a look, it's gotten very little views. Link in the description below, guys. Please help this bump it up so other people can see it. He's in the same boat. He gave the Porsche 911 a consignment. It was sold for 20,000. He's no cash. Like, they haven't, CNC fucking, they're unbelievable, haven't given him the money. And they sold it. The owner, the new owner, he doesn't know who has it, and they don't have the new owner doesn't have the title. He has the title, and he's going to go down the DMV route, but he's asking for help if other people out there can help him try and get his car back, because he just wants the car back. And he's a normal person like me. That is a lot of money for somebody as well. I'd be like that. That would be a big chunk of money if I was in his shoes. I did say to him, look, he's more than welcome to come on the channel for a platform on the weekend for a small podcast just to get his side of the story. I know that you know, normal supercar guy can't really keep doing these, and one or two people have messaged me to start doing it on my platform. So I'm going to bring him on the weekend and let him say his side of the story, because, you know, this is disgraceful, guys. If we can help anybody get their car back, no matter how small it is, at least we should try. And you know, I've been following this thing. I did tell him about Matt Salvo, I think his name is. He got his car back, and a few others. So I told him to reach out to them. They might be able to help him as well, because I'm in Ireland, guys. There's only so much I can do. But I will reach out to him and ask him to come on and give his side of the story, and hopefully, you know, a good few people will see it in the States and we can help him get back his car or the money, whichever way he wants to go down. So guys, please do check out the link in the description below. It's only a 2-minute video. Help bump it up, and hopefully we can help this guy get his car back as well, because CNC are absolute scumbags. Next up is going to be DDE. They have continued on with their Liberty wide arch 488 build. Also an update on the 720S, the GTR build as well. That I really am going to really enjoy when this colour gets, or when the actual car gets put back together. I really am liking the fluorescent pink with the grey. It's such a great combo. And obviously I can't wait for the 488 to be done as well. And just the project cars are going along. Also we have the twin turbo top mounted Ferrari which is going along. And yes, of course I'm going to cover it. Excell Racing have just dropped a video yesterday, just basically proving Damon wrong that the Mansory F12 is naturally aspirated. And guys, it is, like, I mean, there's no proof from Mansory that it was the first. If you look at the air intakes, they're going straight to the manifold and not going down into any turbos or anything like that. Even I spotted that, and I'm not even that a major engine head like. Look, Excell Racing are allowed, you know, do this in public. You know, they're allowed back up their claims. You know, I know DD are massive and they have a massive crew, you know, fan base, and I get it from my DD subscribers as well on my channel. Look, it's just basically, you know, Excell Racing giving their side of things, and you know how bad, like, and he did put it in the video actually as well, and thanks for mention as well from Rob, that he'd gladly do a race with them when the two cars are done. Which would be pretty cool to see. You know, I'll say, guys, it's just, you know, obviously there's a lot, the video's around, I think it's around 18 minutes long, but again, link in the description below if you want to check out the video from Excell Racing. It's all basically titled, but, you know, definitely worth to watch, guys, because it proves, you know, why the Mansory isn't the first twin turbo F12, because it's naturally aspirated. Also as well, he found a video clip of the Mansory F12 reversing, and you don't hear the turbo spooling in it either compared to their one. So there's another thing as well. So yeah, guys, look, it's up to you. I mean, look, I'm just bringing it to you and just giving a platform for this thing as well. Next up is going to be Radarosa. Radarosa's latest video basically is him dry ice blasting his engine block, and my god, it came out awesome. I've never seen this being done before. It's ridiculously cool and satisfying to see all the dirt get like blasted off it. The block came out ridiculously clean. He's put so much work into it. The views he's been getting on his videos are colossal. I've been really enjoying the build. Like, he's putting so much work into it. I think he's gone even further than what he think he was going to go when he was doing this build, and he's leaving no turn unstoned. I mean, like, I highly recommend go to check out the video, guys, if you're into this kind of satisfying, you know, dirt being blasted off. I've never seen it being done before with dry ice blasting. It's pretty cool, and he really got down to the nitty gritty and dirty bits on it. Like, it's just, the car is in bits at the moment, but I cannot wait to see this all put back together. It's going to look like it rolled out of the factory when he's done with it. And yeah, what a great build, guys. I'm really enjoying it. Hopefully you are too. Let me know what you think of the dry ice blasting below if you've watched the episode, because I'm really enjoying it, and yeah, I just want to hear your thoughts and opinions, guys, as well. Last up on the list is going to be Paradox the Rapper. We haven't covered him in quite a bit. His latest video was him wrapping it. It's a weird one. It was like an S14 with a an Odyssey headlights front, like a front headlights. It's a bit of a weird one, but he ended up wrapping it like a candy floss purple. It's such a lovely color. It came out awesome. I really liked it. A colour I definitely consider to wrap a car in as well. Might try and persuade my sister, if I get into car wrapping this summer, might try and persuade her, see if she'll let me wrap her car and that, but she has to buy the wrap. Fuck that, I'm not buying the wrap for her and doing it, like. But yeah, I really love this colour, and it came out really nice. The front scoop, or the front vent bit, I think was from the Odyssey as well. I'm not too sure, but he went matte black in it. I think he should have went like a wet carbon, would look nicer. It looks a bit out of place. I do really like the VVS chromes in it. They are VSS, I think, or I can't remember the name of them, but they were really nice. It isn't the actual hydrite. He is going to go lower. Not too fine on the exhaust system, but I will say, man, I'd say that colour looks unbelievable in person and looks way, it looks awesome on camera, but I would say in person under the sun, that thing just pops. And yeah, you never know, guys, it might be a colour I might consider going down the line at some stage as well, because I'm still looking for that project car. And yeah, it's not easy here, guys. I don't have the selection like you do have in the UK and in the States. It's just really difficult. So, you know, but when we do get there, you know, we'll decide in the colour when the time comes. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks a million again if you've watched the end. Again, just smash the subscribe button. It would be pretty dope just to help support the channel. And you guys have been fucking killing it, hitting the like button and commenting below. Like, thanks a million. Keep at it, guys. We'll only get bigger and better. And yeah, let's keep going. So until the next episode, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.